You have felt the warmth the last few weeks. Trees are budding and the leaves are coming out, and we are getting close to planting and transplanting, but it's still just a little too early. This week, Tom's out in the garden getting ready for when the time comes.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. We're here at a raised bed. We're talking about our flowers now. What you're seeing here are our transplants from the big bed I took out a couple weeks ago because of, we had to take all that dirt out. And so they've been transplanted and they're looking okay, right, Justin?
Yeah, they look great. They're just getting started. We're going to bring in the Premium Flower 201. It's organic product. It has dairy already mixed in it. It has worm castings. So similar product to the Pro Vegetable 301, except for the Premium Flower 201 has more phosphorus and some vitamins in there to help bigger, brighter blooms.
Okay. Now, if I want to say just grab the 301 and trying to put it in there, would it help them or hurt them?
It would probably hurt them. I would keep the 301 for your vegetables, and then keep your Premium Flower for the flowers.
All right. So if our little transplants like this, all we do is kind of mix it in the soil, right?
Yeah. Just open the bag up and help mix it in the soil. Fill your bed up back where it's supposed to be because it's settled. And then if you wanted to do a larger bed, you could do the same thing we did last week with the Pro Vegetable 301. Have the bed ready to go, topsoil blend the bottom, and then fill it with the Premium Flower 201, and then plant your plant in there. It's a soft mix for flowers, and they love it.
All right, terrific. And the fact is that it's very light to put on too. It makes it a lot easier than putting on that heavy topsoil dirt.
That's right.
Later on, I'm hoping to plant a bit more flowers out here as well. But next week is our main focus of transplanting some vegetables and getting our raised beds really growing for the summer. So stay tuned for that, and that's coming next week.